Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ayşenur Altan. In this episode, I have a light and delightful Turkish apple dessert. We will cook it whole on the stove top and flavored it with natural dried flowers, hibiscus and cloves. After it is cooled down, we will fill it with nuts and top it with cream to complete. So delicious and easy to make. So let's begin. I'm using Amasya apples. These are great for baking, cooking in the syrup. You can try Honeycrisp or Fuji. They seemed similar apples, or just give ideas if you know about types. To give some flavor and color, I'm gonna use hibiscus, cloves, some sugar and water. That's it. First, we need to peel and core the apples. The peeling part is easy, but if you don't have apple corer, it takes a bit time to take out the seeds while keeping the apples whole. So I used a couple of different gadgets, and finally the knife, and continue with the others. To cook the apples, use a deep dish pan, not so wide, so the apples can cook in syrup. And also try to choose in same size. I usually prefer small, and the Amasya types is also usually small. For 7 apples I used about 3/4 of a cup sugar. Place them in the hole, and then to each hole and to a couple of ones to the side, also inside the pan, I'm placing hibiscus. These are dried flowers, give some flavor, but mostly we are using it for the color. And about 3 cloves and 1.5 cup water. And we are ready to cook. It's very easy. First, turn on the heat to medium high, and after it is boiling, lower the heat. I also wanted to, this is optional, add a couple of cherries from summertime. It will give an extra flavor and color. I'm checking the apples after about 10 to 12 minutes. They begin to get some color and soften. So gently I turn them over to get more color on top. We don't want to add too much syrup because it will also thicken, and we're not gonna use the excess syrup that much. After about 5 more minutes, I'm turning it over again, being gentle. It is soft now, and after this time, don't close the lid and let the syrup thicken a little bit and give its color to the apples. You can also drizzle from the syrup on top, and it is done in about 20-25 minutes. Mine got very soft one of them were cracked, but it was okay, still same delicious. So gently I transfer it to the plate and drizzle from the delicious thickened sauce on top and let them cool before I garnish it. I have finely chopped walnuts, kaymak, clotted cream that I made myself at home, and I have the recipe on my channel. I will add the link. And ground pistachios to garnish. I filled the holes with walnuts and then placed about 1 heaped teaspoon cream on top. You can always add more because it is more delicious with the cream. Drizzle from the sauce again a little bit. And finally sprinkle ground pistachios. Of course it's optional, but the color, the greens and reds makes it even more appealing and delicious. It is very flavorful, light, traditional dessert. You can make easily, perfect for fall time. We have similar recipes making with queens. Hopefully I'm gonna share it too. So give it a try and share your comments with me. I hope you're gonna enjoy this dessert. You can share your photos with me from my Instagram account Turkish Food and Travel. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Afiyet olsun. We are visiting Amasya city in the Black Sea region of Turkey. A beautiful city at the foot of Mount Harshena along the river of Yeşilırmak. On the second day in Amasya, we will cook 3 traditional and easy dishes from Ottoman cuisine with local chef Murat Devek. Then we will visit the Şehzades Museum to look at the prince's closer that trained to become sultan in Ottoman Empire. So let's begin.